Welcome to Learn English with DialogueEase.
What is your name?
My name is Isabella.
What is your name?
My name is Isabella. I am Isabella.
Where are you from?
I am from USA.
Where are you from?
I am from USA.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 1st May.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 1st May.
Where were you born?
I was born in New York.
Where were you born?
I was born in New York.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a doctor.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a doctor.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I have a dog and a cat.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I have a dog and a cat.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is cooking.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is cooking.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Harry Potter.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Harry Potter.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak French and Spanish.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak French and Spanish.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Just Above My Head by James Baldwin.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Just Above My Head by James Baldwin.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like to eat burger.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like to eat burger.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
What would you like to drink?
Cranberry juice will be okay.
What would you like to drink?
Cranberry juice will be okay.
Can I speak to John, please?
I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment.
Can I speak to John, please?
I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment.
When will he be back?
He will be back in 45 minutes.
When will he be back?
He will be back in 45 minutes.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
I prefer tea over coffee.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
I prefer tea over coffee.
Have you ever tried scuba diving?
No, I haven't tried scuba diving yet.
Have you ever tried scuba diving?
No, I haven't tried scuba diving yet.
What is your dream vacation destination?
My dream vacation destination is Maldives.
What is your dream vacation destination?
My dream vacation destination is Maldives.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a night owl.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a night owl.
Can you fix my car?
Sure, I can fix it.
Can you fix my car?
Sure, I can fix it.
How long do you think it will take to fix it?
It's hard to tell.
How long do you think it will take to fix it?
It's hard to tell.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.